Let's say hello to Pepper, our AI systems engineering assistant. And today's task, we want to take scattered engineering documentation, like screenshots, CSVs, PDFs, whatever we have, and build a comprehensive system model from it. So to start, we want to import two architecture screenshots, one, a context architecture, and a deeper component architecture. So let's give this to Pepper and let's see what she does with it. We can now watch all of the thoughts and analyses that Pepper gets from our data live and review all of it. And at the end of its thought process, we, still humans in control, we can confirm using the green button. So now we're happy with the plan. Let's see Pepper execute and build a system model from a screenshot live in front of our eyes. And in just a few moments, we will see that now we have a context architecture built, and Pepper already offers us to decompose further. So after reviewing and confirming, we again wait for a few moments, and then we will see that just a few sips of coffee later, we have an architecture that encompasses 3 different levels that we can navigate over. We have all the interfaces and everything ready to start importing requirements. And firstly, a typical regulation, typical standard that we have as a PDF that we're now going to supply to Pepper. And we want to import these stakeholder requirements to their own tab. So again, let's give Pepper the data and watch it go to work. Now it's important to note that we can always have a look into the PDFs itself and into the traces, so we can understand how Pepper is getting the requirements out of the PDF. So we have full traceability. We again review and press the green button, and only then, when we're happy, Pepper will actually touch the model and import the regulatory requirements to it. So we can now see here, live, step by step, as Pepper imports requirement after requirement. And also, after a few moments here, we are done and ready. So as a next step, we're importing system requirements, this time from a typical export like a CSV. So now, not stakeholder level anymore, we're on system level and we're giving it the CSV. And again, let's watch what Pepper does with the data. It's straightforward, we review, and we notice here that Pepper even notices that we need an attribute that we didn't yet put. So it offers us to build this attribute for us and put it into the requirements table before importing the requirements. So again, let's watch it live. And here we go. We see all of the requirements being built and imported. And of course, there's one last step that we need to do, which is we want to link our stakeholder requirements to our system requirements. So let's ask Pepper to do that for us as well. Again, we can see what it's thinking. It's making a proposal of linkage. We need to review this, and then we can accept. And then a short while later, we can see in the linkage view that now our requirements are properly linked. So let's recap what we did. We imported architecture from screenshots. We imported requirements from a PDF and also a table format like CSV. And finally, we linked requirements from system to stakeholder, so across levels. And we did that in under 15 minutes. Now imagine what you could do today before lunch using Pepper.